Mainly, we're here, first of all, to hear what the industry needs, what we can do to best support public safety in the U.S.
We see a lot of end users. Typically when we go to expos, it's industry we see, but here's a lot of end users and we can get feedback from the end users.
You don't really get that at a lot of other events.
Here you can actually see the training in hand and see it actually work real-time scenarios.
So not only do we see a lot of hardware solutions, but also software solutions that are on the cutting edge, that are being used in combat with law enforcement agencies and public safety organizations around the world.
It's very hands-on, so you have the ability to not only interact with the vendors, but to go out and actually see it in the field, talk to other end users and not just hear it from the vendors themselves.
I mean, obviously where we're at today here is it's an excellent playground to showcase all the toys and the technology.
Getting out there, learning how to do these different things with the drones.
The trade show part is very minimal. It's hands-on training. And you could say, okay, we're gonna go out and do a demo, but then having the guys actually replicate that demo with their own gear and they can have that real world experience, that I've not seen anyplace else. We've seen it where guys can come in and they can like run a course, like a niche course. I've seen that. But tying it into real life scenarios, that it gets pretty cool with role players, and it's a legit way of training.
I mean, UTAC is just blowing me away. I didn't know what to expect when I got here, and just rolling in and seeing all of the areas where you can do scenarios and explore the different use cases and the different ways that autonomy and robotics can save lives. It's just amazing. I mean, you've got to be here to check it out because it's nothing like you could imagine.